What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I'm trying Isee Hair's water wave hair in 30 inches. And it may not look like it, but this hair is super duper long. Right now it's only going like right here, but once I stretch out the hair, it goes all the way to my butt, just like 30 inches should. So definitely stay tuned if you guys are interested in how I achieved this look. This was a very easy install and styling, but I wish I spent more time on it because I just know this would have been some fire. Like I don't know, I feel like this hair would look so pretty in a half up, half down or something, like even a flip over, because it does flip over. Well, not anymore, but it did. But yeah, stay tuned to see where I got this hair. The link is down below if you guys are interested in shopping the exact same wig that I have. And also stay tuned to the end to see what I think about this wig. Without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all get into the video, and I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds. All right, you guys, so this is what my hair came out like. I love it. It's so pretty and thick, and the curls are like very well defined compared to other wigs I've tried before. Mine might be a little bit frizzy because it's like had time to dry over a couple hours. I also didn't use like any gel or nothing. I just used this curling cream from African Pride. So yeah, this is like just the natural curls with like some curling cream, nothing holding them in place or nothing, but it's so pretty. And look how thick it is. But I'm not really surprised because Isee hair is known for having like really thick nice like luxury hair, so it's not surprising at all. But the thing is, if you guys check down below and go to the link and stuff, you're gonna pay for that, but I promise you at the end of the day it's worth it, definitely. So yeah, these are the curls. As y'all can see, I haven't touched this side as much, so you can see they're very like just very pretty and bouncy. And I thought this was curly hair, but it's actually water wave. This is some big water wave hair in my opinion, because I didn't know it was gonna, you know, water wave isn't usually this big, but this is like some big hair. So I'm actually wearing their water wave wig in 30 inches. And it may look kind of short if you were here in person because it only stops like right below my boobs. But once I pulled the hair out long, it go all the way to my butt, just like 30-inch hair should. So it's like no doubt that this is 30-inch hair, which is great to know. Yeah, overall, I definitely love this hair. The wig cap fits perfect. Isee hair wigs always fit me perfect. If you guys are wondering, I wear a size large in wig caps. And if there aren't any sizes, then I just wear the one size fits all. So check the link down below and they will tell you. I don't think they have sizes though, if I'm not mistaken. But if they do have sizes, I have a large. But with all that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang, so be a pretty gangster like me. And also follow me on Instagram at ITSPrettyMY, so y'all can see all the behind the scenes stuff and yeah, all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more videos, vlogs, and all that other stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.